The 2024 Audi Q5 epitomizes the concept of being well-rounded, seamlessly blending comfort, style, features, and craftsmanship to deliver a package that's predictably appealing, if not groundbreaking in terms of dynamics or daring design. However, where it falls short is in its somewhat lackluster handling. In the 2024 model year, Audi has upgraded the Q5 and its SUV lineup with standard adaptive cruise control, ACC, and adaptive cruise assist, ACA. Additionally, the traffic sign recognition system has been enhanced to improve predictive capabilities. The price range for the 2024 Audi Q5 starts at $46,495 and goes up to $61,595 depending on the chosen trim and optional features. With various powertrain options available, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a plug-in hybrid variant, as well as the stylish Q5 Sportback, Audi caters to diverse preferences. The Q5 lineup consists of the 40, 45, and 55 plug-in hybrid versions, offering flexibility and power delivery to suit different driving needs. The entry-level Q5 40 features a 201 HP Turbo 4 engine coupled with a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive. However, opting for the 261 HP Q5 45 brings a noticeable performance boost, injecting more excitement into daily commutes. The Q5 45 impressively sprinted from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.5 seconds during testing. The allure of the Q5 extends to its spacious and inviting interior, offering easy access and ample room for passengers. Audi's commitment to luxury is evident in the tasteful design and quality materials, although some improvements could be made to integrate the standard touchscreen more seamlessly. Whether cruising through city streets or on the open road, the Q5 provides a serene ride, with rear seat passengers benefiting from an impressive 38 inches of legroom. As you progress through the trim levels, Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige, you unlock additional luxury amenities, including the sophisticated virtual cockpit digital gauge cluster. While the Q5 may not lead the pack in cargo space, it still manages to accommodate a respectable amount of luggage, surpassing rivals like the Macan by a narrow margin and comfortably fitting 18 carry-on cases with the rear seats folded down. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2024 Audi Q5 40 achieves EPA estimates of 23 mpg city and 29 mpg highway, with a combined rating of 25 mpg. The Q5 45 sacrifices only 1 mpg on the highway for its additional power, maintaining a commendable balance. Meanwhile, the plug-in hybrid 55 TFSI E model offers slightly better fuel economy at 26 mpg combined in hybrid mode, although its electric range of 19 miles may limit its appeal despite its swiftness and high